Bonjour et bienvenue sur French Lover. Hello and welcome to French Lover. Today we are going to learn the verb parler, the verb to talk, parler. Okay. Je parle, I speak, or I am talking. Tu parles, you speak. Tu parles. Il parle, he speaks, or he is talking. Elle parle, she speaks. Elle parle. Nous parlons, we speak, or we talk, or we are talking. Vous parlez, you speak. Il parle, not parlant, il parle, they speak. For many boys, elle parle, they speak. For feminine, okay? Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. Remember les phrases. Let's do some sentences with the verb parler. So, as I earlier said, parler means to talk and it also means to speak. Okay, so, quelle langue parles-tu? Quelle langue parles-tu? Or, tu parles quelle langue? Tu parles quelle langue? Meaning, what language do you speak? Vous parlez quelle langue? Vous parlez is a formal way of saying what language do you speak. Or if you are referring to many people, you use vous parlez. But if you are not referring to many people and you want to speak like in a formal setting, you also use vous. Tu is more in an informal setting and also when you are talking to just one person. Okay, so you can say quelle langue parles-tu? Or tu parles quelle langue? Or vous parlez quelle langue? Especially if you just met that person, you use vous. Don't go so informal with the person, especially if it's not your age group, okay? Or at work, you will use vous. So all of it means what language do you speak? Now to simply answer to that question, you say je parle anglais, I speak English. That's if it's English, you speak. Je parle anglais, I speak English. Okay? Tu parles français? Tu parles français? Do you speak French? It's a question, okay? Because there's a question mark at the end. But if you remove the question mark, it will become a normal sentence. It will be tu parles français, meaning you speak French. But if there's a question mark at the end, it will mean do you speak French? You get it? Tu parles français? Do you speak French? But if without a question mark, tu parles français. You speak French. Okay? So, oui, je parle un peu français. Yes, I speak French a little, or I speak a little bit of French. Oui, je parle un peu français. Un peu means a little, or a little bit, okay? So, quelle langue parles-tu? Tu parles quelle langue? Vous parlez quelle langue? Je parle anglais. I speak English. Je parle français. I speak French. Je parle italien. I speak Italian. Okay, yeah, we have our native dialects like Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. So you want to say I speak Igbo, you say je parle Igbo. Okay, it's a native language in Nigeria. Okay, so in the next ones we are going to learn languages, nationality, and countries. I'm going to mention the most popular countries that tourists like to visit. I can't mention all the countries. There are about 154 recognized countries, okay? and there are 204 countries that exist in the whole wide world. So let's just deal with the most popular one. If you want to know yours, you can browse it or you can comment it in the comment section to know. Okay, you remember we did the verb venir, the verb to come from. If you don't remember, please go back to my old videos and learn how to use the verb venir, that's to come from. Okay, so let's start.